Luckily for me, everything worked out excellent. The outcome was better than I could have hoped for, and I'm very satisfied. My name is Paul, and I live in the North Park neighborhood of San Diego, and I'm originally from Iowa, and have been in San Diego about 15 years, and work for the city of San Diego, and just really enjoy all the city has to offer, and call this home now. August 1st, 2011, I had a motorcycle accident, was coming down Pershing heading to work, and stopped at a red light. Light turned green, went to go, and somebody turned left in front of me, ran the red light, and ended up on top of the SUV, and hurt my knee pretty bad, broke my wrist, and was in the hospital for 4 days, had 3 surgeries, very long recovery, still in recovery technically, and it was pretty traumatic at the time, definitely life-changing, and but on the mend, doing all the right things, and just trying to get back where I was. In my situation, I found out fairly quickly that the other person's insurance company had wholesale rejected my claim, and it seemed they weren't even going to try to work with me or offer a settlement or any kind of bargaining. And I only had liability insurance, so I didn't have an insurance company to represent me. So unfortunately, I knew that I was going to have to take care of this on my own without the benefit of a large insurance company or the other people even working with me. So in my line of business, we do everything by referral. So I wanted to make sure whatever lawyer I picked was a referral. And a very good friend of mine, her and her husband recommended Ross to me, and met with Ross, and after meeting with him, I decided that the best choice and the best course of action for me was to use an attorney. My experience was amazing. I have no regrets, excellent experience. All my questions were answered. I'd never participated in a lawsuit at this level. Really didn't have a good working knowledge of how the process was going to go down. So felt like all my questions were answered. I understood where we were in the process at all times. I liked the direct kind of common sense approach of Ross and the staff. I didn't feel like anything was sugar-coated, which I absolutely appreciate. I had a lot on the line, so I really wanted to know exactly what was going on, good or bad. My advice would be, don't jump to any conclusions right away. Gather information, do your homework. Maybe an attorney is or is not the way for you to go, but it doesn't hurt to know all your resources and know all your options. Definitely don't be afraid to interview your attorney. There's a lot of them out there. Feel free to ask all the questions you want, and they're seeing if they want to take you on, make sure you want to take them on. But I think you're doing yourself a disservice if you don't consider all the options and consult somebody who has the experience with situations such as this, so you can do what's best for you.